What if I told you that the biggest hedge funds on Wall Street are using AI prompts so powerful that they're keeping them locked away from retail traders like us? I'm talking about prompts that can analyze any stock in seconds, predict market sentiment, and even create risk management strategies that would make professional traders jealous. But here's the thing. These aren't complicated algorithms or expensive software. They're simple text prompts that you can copy and paste into any AI tool right now. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what these prompts are, how to use them, and why some people really don't want you to have access to this information. But first, if you find value in this video, smash that like button and subscribe because content like this doesn't stay up forever. Here's what's actually happening in the trading world right now. Most retail traders are asking AI the wrong questions. They're typing things like, "Is Apple a good stock?" or "Should I buy Tesla?" And then they wonder why they get generic, useless responses that sound like they came from a financial textbook written in 1995. Meanwhile, institutional traders, the folks managing billions, they're using prompts that are so specific and strategic that the AI basically becomes their personal research analyst. They're getting detailed risk assessments, sentiment analysis, portfolio optimization strategies, and market predictions that are actually actionable. The difference isn't the AI they're using, it's how they're talking to it. And that's exactly what I'm going to fix for you today. So what makes a trading prompt actually work? There are 3 components that separate amateur questions from professional-grade prompts. Component 1: context loading. Instead of asking, "Is Microsoft a good investment?" you load the AI with specific context first. Here's what a real prompt looks like. You are a senior equity analyst with 15 years of experience. I need you to analyze Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, for a 6-month investment horizon. Current market cap is $2.8 trillion, trading at $380 per share. Consider the following factors: recent AI developments, cloud competition with Amazon, regulatory pressures, and current PE ratio of 28. Provide a detailed bull and bear case analysis. See the difference? We're not asking for opinions, we're requesting professional analysis with specific parameters. Component 2: multi-angle analysis. Professional traders never look at one data point, they want multiple perspectives on the same information. Here's a prompt that gets you exactly that. Analyze the following stock from 3 perspectives. 1. Technical analysis, focusing on support and resistance levels and momentum indicators. 2. Fundamental analysis, examining financial health and growth prospects. And 3. Sentiment analysis, based on recent news and market positioning. Component 3: risk-first thinking. This is the big one that separates professionals from amateurs. Pros always think about what can go wrong first. Try this prompt. Before I invest $10,000 in stock, I need you to identify the top 5 risks that could cause this investment to lose 20% or more of its value in the next 12 months. For each risk, provide the probability of occurrence and potential impact. Then suggest specific monitoring indicators I should watch. When you start using prompts like these, the AI stops giving you generic advice and honestly starts acting like your personal Wall Street analyst. But we're just getting started. Let me show you some advanced techniques that, most people will never figure out on their own. The portfolio stress test prompt. I have a portfolio consisting of list your positions. Run a stress test scenario where 1. Interest rates rise by 2%, 2. Tech sector drops 30%, 3. Inflation hits 6%. Calculate the potential impact on each position and overall portfolio. Suggest hedging strategies. All right, let's dive into the news sentiment decoder. So analyze the following news headline and article excerpt for any hidden bearish or bullish signals that, retail investors might totally miss. Identify first what the article is really saying between the lines. Second, how institutional investors are likely to interpret this. And third, what potential market reactions we might see in the next 48 hours. Now let's check out the options strategy generator. Given the following stock situation, stock currently at, say, $ price, and I believe your thesis within time frame. Go ahead and design 3 option strategies with different risk and reward profiles. Be sure to include the exact strike prices, expiration dates, maximum profit and loss, and of course, the break-even points. These aren't just prompts. Honestly, they're like having a team of analysts working for you around the clock 24/7. But here's where it gets really interesting. Now, I'm going to share something that might get this video taken down, so pay attention. There are certain prompts that can analyze insider trading patterns, unusual options activity, and institutional money flows that retail traders aren't supposed to know about. I can't say them directly in this video for obvious reasons, but if you're serious about taking your trading to the next level, I've compiled all of these restricted prompts into a complete toolkit. It includes over 50 professional-grade prompts that cover everything from dark pool activity analysis, unusual options flow interpretation, institutional positioning strategies, pre-earnings volatility predictions, and several others I can't mention here. Look, I don't know how long I can keep this available. These prompts took me months to develop and test, and honestly, making them public probably pisses off some very powerful people. But I believe retail traders deserve the same tools that Wall Street uses against us every single day. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm making the complete AI trading prompt toolkit available for just $10. That's less than most people spend on coffee in a week, but these prompts could literally change how you approach every investment decision. The link is in the description below. But seriously, don't wait on this. Content like this has a way of disappearing from the internet, and I can't guarantee this offer will be available tomorrow. Grab the toolkit, start using these prompts immediately, and prepare to see the markets from a completely different perspective. If this video opened your eyes to what's really possible with AI trading, smash that like button, subscribe for more content they don't want you to see, and I'll see you in the next one. For more like blogs, some really great AI tools and digital products, go to https://sites.google.com/view/ipsandtools/home.